3 key strategies for investing in gold. But before we get started, if you find this video useful, please make sure to like and subscribe. It would really help out our channel. Okay, let's get started. Someone trying to figure out how to start investing in gold is probably in a dilemma. Gold is generally considered a great way to diversify your portfolio and protect yourself against market downturns, but most people don't know where to start. But here's the thing. When it comes to investing in gold, there are many ways to do it. The good news is that once you understand how investing in gold works, finding a strategy that works for you is easy. Gold is a smart investment decision for the following reasons. 1. Gold is a safe investment. 2. Gold is an effective way to diversify your portfolio. 3. Investors may soon start buying gold again, which could push the price up even further. So here are a few ways to invest in gold. Number 1, buying gold bullion coins and bars. Buying physical gold bullion offers you direct exposure to the price of gold, allowing you to take advantage of price movements without paying commission fees associated with buying and selling futures contracts. Number 2, investing in gold stocks and mutual funds. Gold stocks are investments that represent ownership in mining companies. These companies are responsible for extracting, refining, and selling the precious metal. Mutual funds are investment vehicles that pool money from many investors and buy shares in other companies on their behalf. These funds may use derivatives or futures contracts to gain exposure to gold without actually owning any physical bullion. The advantages of mutual funds include low cost and diversification across multiple industries, while gold stocks allow you to benefit directly from price fluctuations in gold, as well as any potential gains made by mining companies. Number 3, buying exchange-traded funds that invest in gold companies. Buying ETFs that invest in gold companies can be a great way to invest in the precious metal. To get the best bang for one's buck, someone needs to know what to look for and how to avoid pitfalls. Here are some questions you should ask before buying an ETF that claims to invest in gold companies. Questions like, how much of their portfolio is allocated to this asset class? Do they want exposure at all, or just enough to hedge against inflation? Also, what is the expense ratio? An expense ratio of 0.5% means that every year, 0.5% of your money goes towards fees and expenses. And if the fund is not careful, those fees could erode all the gains from your investment over time. Some of the main drivers of gold demand around the world include jewelry and investment, as well as industrial uses for this metal. Jewelry accounts for over half of all gold demand in the world. Jewelry is an important part of many cultures around the world and is often seen as an important part of one's identity. While jewelry remains by far the largest driver of global gold demand, investment demand has grown considerably in recent years as investors look for ways to diversify their portfolios and protect themselves against inflationary pressures. Industrial uses account for around 12% of all gold demand. This includes coins, bars, and standard bullion, as well as specialty products such as catalysts or dental crowns, which are made from purer grades of gold. Gold is one of the most popular hedge assets because it has traditionally been thought to protect against inflationary times. But how well does gold hold its value during a recession? Overall, gold tends to perform well when the economy is doing poorly, and vice versa. This means that when the economy falters and people start to lose faith in their financial system, they move into safe haven assets, like gold. That's why it's important to remember that gold isn't an investment. It's a hedge for investments. There is no perfect investment, but gold is certainly one that deserves a place in your portfolio. If you are looking for somewhere to get started, these tips will help you begin easily and without sacrificing quality.